Hello, I'm Dr. Tapasvi Krishna Katragadda, transplant pulmonologist here at Yashoda Hospital, Somajiguda. Let us find out how a patient does after lung transplant. Everybody who comes to me for a lung transplant counseling asks me what is the quality of life once I get a lung transplant. So with advancing technology and with the hoard of skills which we doctors in India have practiced now, patients' lung transplant journey has become much more easier and the results of lung transplant are much better in India now compared to 2 decades earlier. So quality of life after lung transplant is very good, especially since we are seeing for the past 1 decade, our longest surviving patient is 9 years post-transplant survival. And when it comes to abroad, we've seen patients who have been able to climb Mount Everest and they have been doing trekking as well post lung transplant. That's an achievement, commendable achievement when it comes to medical practices all over the world. So having given that example, I could tell you that life after lung transplant will have a lot of medications and investigations. But having said that, if they are done on time, the patient's quality of life would be very good. Of course, you would be away from your oxygen, which you have to use pre-lung transplant because of interstitial lung disease or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. So the oxygen which you had been using and the cylinder which you have been stuck to will be gone once the lung transplant is done. Especially when you think of your respiratory mechanics, the patient struggles to take breath pre-transplant, which is not there once the patient is given the right donor lungs, and the patient's responsibility and the patient family's responsibility is to take care of that precious donation which has been given to them. So please listen to your doctor after transplant, come for timely checkups and take your medications on time. So the world is yours after transplant if you can take care of your donor lungs. Once a patient undergoes a lung transplant, he or she usually stays in the hospital for around 15 to 21 days post-transplant. After that, they are discharged home and they are supposed to be in touch with their respiratory therapists and physical therapists so that they get to do regular exercises and come back and contact your doctor time to time. You can go back to your hometown after 2 months of lung transplant and come for follow-ups with your primary care physician so that you are taken care of. Try and stay away from infectious diseases, especially by wearing a mask, protecting yourself, taking the vaccinations which doctor suggests you. And whenever there are people coughing or sneezing or there are huge crowds post lung transplant, try to avoid those crowds so that you don't get infected and your donated lungs stay healthy.
If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more health updates.